In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom fonts in Canva. Hey everyone, I'll show you how to add custom fonts in Canva quickly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to upload your files and how to use your new fonts in any design. Start by opening Canva and looking at the left-hand sidebar on your homepage. Click Brand Kit. This is where all your brand assets live, including colors, logos, and, most importantly for today, fonts. If you don't see Brand Kit or the option to upload fonts, it may be because your account doesn't have access to that feature. Some Canva plans include font uploads, while others don't. You can still follow along to see how it works if you're considering using this feature later. Inside Brand Kit, scroll to the Fonts section. Click Add a Font or the button that says Upload a Font. Depending on what you see on your screen, they lead to the same place. Canva will prompt you to confirm that you have the legal right to use the font. This is important. Only upload fonts you own, have licensed, or that are free for your intended use. Check the terms, accept, and continue. Now, choose your font file from your computer. Canva supports OTF and TTF files. If your font came in a zip folder, unzip it first so you can select the actual OTF or TTF. If your font has multiple styles, like regular, bold, italic, or extra bold, upload each file so you have all the weights available in Canva. Once you select the file, Canva will start uploading. You'll see a quick progress indicator, and when it's done, the font will appear under your brand fonts. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Larger files can need a few extra seconds. Next, open your design or create a new one. Click text on the left to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Select the text box, then open the font drop-down at the top toolbar. You can scroll to brand fonts or type the font's name into the search field. Click your uploaded font and it will apply immediately. If you don't see it yet, try refreshing the page or reopening the design to update the font list. A quick tip: keep your naming consistent so you can find your fonts easily and upload all the styles you plan to use for a more polished look. If your text looks off, double-check that you selected the correct weight. And that's it. Your design now has custom fonts. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips.